Without involving extracurricular activity, it's very difficult to survive in the modern world. Here, extracurricular activity means any activity other than your academics. It can be debate, it can be photography, it can be scouting and such types of other things. I am a student of Comilla University. In our university, there are several types of club, like here debating club, Model United Nation, Scout and BNCC and theatre, several types of other clubs, and they are in a strong position in our campus. Now I am here in Comilla Victoria College. I see that they have also a strong club culture. So I think this culture will help the students to gain some real world experience. First of all, I try to talk about teamwork. When you try to involve with these types of club, at that time you must have to act as a member of any team, and you know that in professional life this can help you in a high manner. Suppose if you want to join a company, at that time you must have to work under a team, and this type of skills which you can gain in this club, you can also use this properly in your work field. So this is very important. And somebody may say that okay, being a member of a team, it's a piece of cake, but no, it's not true, because when you try to work in a group, at that time you have to maintain several types of things. You have to follow the order which your leaders try to do, and you have to think about all of the other people's, their advantage, disadvantage and many other things. So from these types of club you can learn this. And second thing is leadership. You know, for actually continuing these types of club, there must be needed some leader. So from these types of club, first of all you have to join as a member, a general member, and after that you actually promoted as executive members, and from there you can also promoted as president or vice president. And when you lead this club, at that time you have to maintain the people, and maintaining the people is called leadership. So from here you can learn leadership skill. And there are several types of other things, like I see that in university or college there are some IT club, some computer club and some programming club. From there you can learn the modern things, like how to solve a programming problem, how to solve different types of problems related to computer, and how to use this properly. So this is also one type of most important skill. And another one is English language club. From English language club you can learn different types of language, and it's very important. You know that for surviving in the modern world, language is one type of weapon. If you know English, you can do several types of things. You can earn money, you can use this in your CV. So from there you can gain this type of opportunity. And another one thing I must have to say, that is networking. When you join in a club, at that time you have an opportunity to build up a strong network, and from there you can gain success, or you can gain some extra facilities in your professional life or in your university life or college life. Suppose I have some of my senior brothers from my club, and they actually try to provide some guidelines, and they every time they try to say me that which type of things is better for me and which type of things I must have to avoid, and these types of things. This can help me to survive in my university life. And another one thing is when you try to apply for a job, at that time your senior brothers, they actually provide you the reference, and from this type of reference you can actually gain this job. So this is one of the most important things. And you know that our college life and university life, it's not for 1 day or 2 day or 1 year, 2 years journey. Sometimes it's 4 years, 5 years, and sometimes it's 6 years journey. During this time you may actually face several types of difficulties like depression and anxiety and so many other things. At that time, if someone actually guide you, at that time maybe you can get rid of this type of situation. From by involving these types of club, you actually you are involving different types of jobs, you are involving different types of things. You have to do so many things and you must have to be busy. So I think it's also another weapon to get rid of this type of depression and anxiety. So I think all of the each and every institution, whether it's club or university, they must have to maintain, or they must have to create a culture which is related to different types of clubs and related to different types of extracurricular activity. If you try to maintain your academics at the same times, if you provide some times to these types of club, at that time you can gain some soft skill and some hard skill. By using this, you can be a successful people. So that's all about today's video. I just make this video for my practicing purpose, not for ordering you or not for actually pressurize you, just for my practicing purpose.